We have a 2014 64 Reg Mini 1. It's the 1.2. It's got 65,000 miles on the clock. It has one owner from new, and it's got a load of service history, all from BMW Mini, which is great. This one is actually a category N, but you'll be shocked to see the damage on it because it's absolutely totally minimal, but because it's dented a couple of panels, they have to write it off. So this is a category N. The dents will be done and we'll be back on the road pretty much today. So as you can see, this side is super duper clean. No dents, marks, scratches on it. Same with the back, all tidy and good. Little mark down there. And down the side is all fantastic. Apart from there's a ding there, you probably can't see it. It's a trolley ding that'll come out today as well. Roof is nice and good. And the bonnet is fantastic. So where's this damage, you say? Well, it's been dented there. It's broken the tabs of the chrome trim as well, and it's knocked one of the tabs off for the headlight, so it's a bit wobbly. So I'll either put a new headlight in it, but if I can fix that tab, I'll do that. And down here it's bumped into or pushed in this wing down the bottom of there. So you can see it, but it's made it slightly tight, the gap, and there's a bit of a gap there. So in short, this will be repaired today by an expert who's just round the corner, coming out in a second. With ActiveAutos, which is paintless dent removal, so it's not going to have any paint done to it whatsoever. And under here, it's magic. There's no damage. There's the broken tab there. So I think I can bond that. If not, a new headlight will be put in. But it's only got one tab, it's just doing that. And that's it. No damage around at all. And here, and inside as well. All good. They've got these little clips on the chrome trim, and they've bust all the little clips. Like this one here. Very good. So that's it. So in short, this is 65,000 miles, one owner, loads of BMW service history. This has got to be a 6.5, 7 grand car because of that. I think because of the category, even though it'll be exactly the same as others, because I'm going to not paint anything, it's just going to be put back into shape. This is going to be 4,995, and it will make someone a magic car.